Hello friends, welcome back to my famous, innovative, creative, informative and popular educational channel. To watch more creative videos on socket programming, I explained long back ago the difference between TCP and UDP protocol. I explained it in Java, and when I was teaching networking, I also executed the program and shown to student. But today I done in this Python something different. So I will be explaining you how UDP and TCP protocol works. TCP protocol example is sending mail. If you send mail to a friend, you get response within fraction of second. That means you get a acknowledgement. That is TCP. And UDP in the sense when you broadcasting the information or when you talking on Google Meet or something, broadcasting the information on radio and this thing. So you go on, you are go on sending the message. The receiver may listen or may not listen. So first of all, we will go through the TCP protocol code. The server code I will show you. I shown in this previous video. Here local machine server is bind to address 8080 and here server is listening only to one client. That's why it is listen one. So I am server, I am this thing. We need to receive a connection from the client and then that means it works like stop and wait protocol. Stop and wait in the sense server send message to client, then client response and then communication start. But here only connection has been established by the server with the client. So I will execute the program. I will show the client code. Client1.py. So here connection localhost port number is same. Then hello from the client. Since it got response from the server, that's why client is sending acknowledgement to the server and received from the server. So server said the acknowledgement that data has been received. So that is concept of stop and wait protocol. Lot of things going on networking to explain stop and wait protocol. If stop and wait protocol is going on long, if it continues, then communication will be very slow because server need to wait for client need to wait for server. Now I will execute the program. First of all, we will go through TCP part. I am server, I am listening. Now I will explain the client part. Yes. So since it is listening only one, so it is only one client received from the server, so response got from the server, just like electronic mail. Now I will explain the concept of UDP, user datagram protocol. It doesn't wait for the client doesn't wait for the server. Localhost, here listening is not there, so only data is sent by the client. And here response, that part. In previous code we have seen here it is listening to one in the sense bind the IP address and this thing. Now I will explain about so here hello localhost 5000, you might have seen here. Port number are same. Now I will execute the first server program. Previous program server was receiving only to one client. Now server has been started but acknowledgement is not there. Now I will execute the client program. Yes, client respond hello. You can see here. Now Again message is sent, but client doesn't, server doesn't think message has been received, or client doesn't send the message has been sent again. So I successfully explained the TCP protocol and UDP protocol, transmission control protocol and user datagram protocol using Python. I have done this part using Java, but since Python I will be doing it. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends. I will be back with more creative videos on networking, operating system, Python, Java, PHP, stack, full stack, Node.js and React.js. Actually, this is concept of networking. I explained one video of networking, that is implementation of FTP protocol on Ubuntu operating system. Thanks for watching.